402 Northeast Elmore Street is an incredible opportunity to own a move-in ready 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath home in the heart of Port St. Lucie. Just under 1,000 square feet, this lovingly maintained home features tile throughout, fresh interior paint, natural gas, and an interior laundry room. Enjoy summer evenings on the spacious screened-in lanai. Being situated on an oversized corner lot allows extra privacy in the fenced-in backyard. Located in Northport Village, this home is only 5 minutes to US 1 with easy access to Publix and other shops and restaurants. A 15-minute drive takes you to St. Lucie West and I-95. Within 4 minutes, you can launch your boat or kayak at the River Park Marina and enjoy the beautiful St. Lucie River. Only 5 minutes to the ball fields, tennis courts, and playground at Sportsman's Park. Contact us to learn more about 402 Northeast Elmore Street in Port St. Lucie, Florida.